So my name is Peter Graumann. I'm a professor for cell biology and biochemistry of microorganisms. So I'm a bit of a mixture between microbiologist and cell biologist. Our specialty is special microscopes. So we have microscopes that have basically the highest resolution that exists. My role would be, first of all, that we are able to visualize molecules at single molecule resolution in live cells. And my second role is I'm the speaker of a graduate school here in Marburg. So I would be quite heavily involved in the graduate program of M4C. Microbes are the drivers of most things that happen in the soil. Even in rain, we find microbes. And so in the times of climate change, of course, it gets even more important to study how microbes change the climate. And it's a great pleasure to be part of a team that has an actual topic to sort of extend a legacy. So Rudolph Thauer has basically made Marburg famous for microbiology, biochemistry. It's a fantastic situation in a place that is basically, one of the leading places worldwide in microbiology.